Let's review a failure called FMGEC reset, which is a temporary failure of one FMGEC caused by a software interruption. You are in cruise. Autopilot 1 is on. Autothrust is on. Flight Director 1 plus 2 are on in managed modes. Read the title of the failure. The warning, Auto Flight Autopilot Off, is displayed on the engine warning display. The autopilot has tripped off because its on-side FMS has experienced a reset and a managed mode was engaged. After review and confirmation from the pilot flying, clear auto flight. Observe that the flight director has reverted to heading vertical speed modes and that Autopilot 1 is no longer displayed on the FMA. FMGEC 1 is in auto reset. During the time of the reset, the FM mode of operation reverts temporarily from dual to single mode of operation. Since FMGEC 1 is in auto reset, Autopilot 2, Flight Director 2 and Autothrust are fully available. Note: depending on the autopilot modes initially engaged and on the type of reset, autopilot loss and flight director reversion may or may not occur. In this example, we are facing one of the most serious cases. During the time of the reset, ND1 displays Map Not Avail red message. Both MCDUs display the aircraft status page with Please Wait on the scratch pad. FM1 light is illuminated on the MCDU. Auto-tuning of nav aids may be lost on side 1. Note: do not use the MCDU while Please Wait message is displayed, in order not to increase the reset time. The reset is usually over after a few seconds. All functions are recovered. This is indicated by the disappearance of the Please Wait and Map Not Avail messages, as well as by the extinguishing of the FM1 light. Check your flight plan and the tuned nav aids. Re-engage the Autopilot 1 and managed modes. Re-select the most convenient MCDU page. We will now review other possible malfunctions. You have just studied an automatic reset of an FMGEC. In case the reset is not successful and the FMSs are stuck, you may exceptionally consider forcing a complete FMGEC or only an FM reset by pulling the corresponding reset button on the overhead panel. As for any reset action of that type, specific precautions are provided in the QRH. You have seen an FMGEC reset. We will now see a locked MCDU. In case you cannot insert any data into the scratch pad or change any MCDU page, the MCDU is locked. Such a failure is not automatically detected. To recover the faulty MCDU, simply switch it off and after 5 seconds, back to on. After the locked MCDU, we will study an MCDU failure. You are in cruise with no previous failure recorded. Failure of an MCDU will be indicated by the amber annunciator Fail on the MCDU itself. By switching off the bright knob of the affected MCDU, you will allow MCDU 3 to automatically replace the faulty MCDU. Switch off MCDU 1. MCDU3 is now replacing MCDU1. Note, MCDU3 is not able to achieve the backup navigation.